Hello, champs. Welcome back. Okay. Sorry for not uploading videos in 7 days. I was on a trip with my friends. Okay. So without wasting time, let's jump up to the topic. To this topic is Python data types. Okay. So what I exactly mean by data types? This data types not only going to help you in the same language that we are studying, that is Python, but it also can help you in the different types of languages. Different colleges choose different, have different preference. Okay. Some colleges start with Java. Some colleges start with C. Some colleges start with and any of the C++ languages. Okay, based on their preference, based on their staff availability. Okay, they start with it. So data types are such an topic that will be useful for any of the languages. Okay, so we are going to discuss some of the data types in this video, some of the data types in another video. This is the first part. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first, just have a thought in your mind that what is exactly meaning of data types, the types of data. What do you mean by that? What I mean by that? Just we can see that by illustration. Okay, just do not go theoretically. We can see that by illustration. Let's start. Okay, suppose I write n equals to 10. Okay, then what I will do? I write print. Yeah, print of n. Yeah. Then I write r equals to 6.3. Okay. Then I write print obviously r. Okay. Then I write suppose v equals to. Then I write suppose v equals to Vidhan. Okay. Then I write print v. Okay. So it is a simple that all of you who are watching my videos since the first can clearly understand that what will happen in the output. Okay, तो ये सब तो आसान था पर हम क्यों रहे डेटा टाइप्स में क्यों फिर से आप यही कोड फिर से ले रहे हो जो आपने पहले 2-3 वीडियोस में पढ़ाया. Reason for that. Okay, I will run the program, you will see the output what happens. Yeah, same ही तो आया, क्या हुआ? Let's just change some of the uh, variables here. Okay, I will write here. Okay, wait, I will write type of n. Okay, I will write here type of r. I will write here type of v. So what you are expecting? Yeah, what you are expecting from this? Yeah, obviously, computer will tell us what data types are they we have used. We don't have to mention anything. Okay, computer automatically interpret or understand that this is this type of data. Okay, we will see it. Okay, okay, sorry for that. It is a really my fault. Okay, yeah, what computer says, I have not said anything to computer automatically interpreted that the n equals to 10 is an integer type of data, that r equals to 6.3 is a float type of data, and vidhan, obviously it is a string made up of characters, that's why it is a string type of data. But this output looks a little bit ugly for you right now. What is this less than and greater than symbol and their class? Just don't see on that. Otherwise, it will be very fear. Okay. Yeah. कुछ बच्चे डर जाते हैं ऐसा आउटपुट देख के. ओके, कि क्या होगा, जो ये क्लास क्या होता है, ये कैसा हो गया, समझ में नहीं आ रहा मुझे. ओके, so don't fear. Okay, so don't fear out of it. Just focus on what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, so I want to just find out, let me make this code some more fascinating. Okay, more aesthetic. Okay, for fanciness of my video. Okay, I will write here, suppose n is a type of, right here also, r is type of. Okay, I'll write here also, what v uh, is type of. Okay, whatever it has types. Okay, v is obviously type of. Wait a minute, let me give it. Yeah. My bad. Sorry for that. It is my bad. I have not given here comma. Okay. These are the things that you need to understand, that why I am giving the comma that I have taught in the second video. Okay. Yeah. That is n is a type of class integer. R is a type of float. V is a type of string. What is the meaning of float? Anything that is beyond the integer. Okay, value. For just understand that anything that is beyond science we call it is as an god, or sometimes anything beyond the beliefs that is called as paranormal, ghost. Okay, like that, anything beyond the value integer, that is called computer store it as a float. Okay, so question arises, why we need that? Okay, why we need different types of names for this characters? Okay, why we need that? It is a simple question. Suppose take an example of vessel. Okay, suppose take an example. I have one vessel with me. Okay, you can see this. This is a vessel of for pouring the water into the glasses. Okay, so why we need and suppose you have a vessel for storing the grains. Okay, so this vessel is designed specifically by taking considering in the mind that it should not have contact with moisture. Okay, this vessel is designed because it stores the water. So of course it doesn't have to be away from moisture. It contains only water. Okay, so it needs to be whole here for pouring the water. So it is not designed for aesthetic look. Okay, it is not this container is designed differently and this container is designed differently for aesthetic. It is designed so that they are storing different types of value. Okay, like that computer also do the same. Computer also integer for storing the number 10, they have different types of vessels. That vessel is called as integer data type. For storing 6.3, they have different types of vessel. That vessel is called as float vessel. Okay, for storing the string, that type of vessel is called different data types, that is string vessel. Like that, they store into the different types of vessel. Like, for your understanding, I have given the example. It is not correct. Okay, for better understanding, I have given it like that. नहीं तो comment कर दो कि ये क्या सिखा रहा है भाई. Okay, so let's try something more. By something more, I mean just go beyond our today's topic. Okay, let's just concentrate what I'm typing, and I will suggest you to type it with along with me my video. Okay, I'll write here suppose 10, 20, and 30. Okay, so what is mean by L? Obviously, many students who don't know what is L will get headache. Okay, what he is hell is teaching. This is the topic of next upcoming videos, but I am just giving an illustration or giving an teaser. Okay, teaser of what's upcoming. Okay, so क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन यहाँ पे print of L. Obviously, यार why this happens with me only. Okay, 20, 30. Okay, and this. Anyone have written their code from ChatGPT? Many of you. Okay, then why you are learning here? It is because, see, ChatGPT of course can do your work. Okay, but it cannot think wisely. Whenever you try the ChatGPT, what it do, it just recreate the things based on its memory. Okay, what it has been stored in it. But we humans can create logically. We can create a unique things. Okay, we do not depends on our memory only. We can innovate the things. Okay, that's the difference between us and ChatGPT. That's why you should run the coding. Okay, so print L, it has printed what it is given, what we have stored in L. So what is the let's ask the computer what is L. So I'm asking, hey computer, just tell me what is the L. Okay, so computer replied me. What replied me? Okay, computer replied me error. So just tell me why this error has been arrived. Any of you, please? Any of you? Can you tell me why this error has arrived? Okay, any of you. I'm correcting it, but just told me why this error has arrived. Because I have written the wrong syntax. If you have written the wrong grammar in any of the English language, then if you have not given instead of question mark, you have given exclamatory mark, then it is wrong. Okay, that type here caption, must be caps lock must be off while writing type. Okay, so what type of what type of data type it is? It is a list. We call it is a list data type. Okay, so instead of that, we can also write print L of one. Yeah, many of the students said it will print 10, but not it will print 20. Why? Because I already told you in microcontroller series, if you watch, the computer starts from counting zero. Okay, अगर कोई बच्चा तुम क्लास में गए क्लास में प्रोफेसर में तो स्टार्ट प्रोफेसर ने बोला काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करो कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं आज कितने प्रेजेंट ही लगे क्योंकि बहुत लोग प्रॉक्सी मार रहे हैं ना so that's why professor told you to count. Okay, if you are a CR, suppose you are a CR now. Okay, so you have started counting. So you counted this fellow is one, this fellow is two, second, third fellow is three. You start counting like this. The computer does not. Computer start from zero. So here L of one will be 20 and L of zero L of zero. Okay. So L of zero will be 10. Yeah, of course. So that's what I want to tell you. Okay. Just I'm leaving it with to you. Okay. मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ ये question मैं बता रहा हूँ just for your sake. I will write here print type, print type of L of 0. Just I'm running this program. Okay. Okay. I'm just running this program. The output has been come as an integer. Just explore on laptops, on your Google Chromes, on your mobiles, why this happen, how this happens. Okay, just explore it by yourself and just tell me in comment section that it isn't right. And what will be printed if I write a print type of L of 2? Yeah, that's the question. What will be the data type that computer tells me? Okay, what type of vessel they have used to store that value? Okay, that's the simple I can that's the simplest way that I can explain to you. Okay, so let's stop this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Okay, let's meet up in the next video. Stay tuned. Happy learning.